Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are doing a simple creamy mac and cheese. So what you're gonna need for this is one can, the 10-ounce can of cream of mushroom, and then a cup and a quarter of milk, and a half a cup of shredded cheese, and a cup and a half of macaroni, elbow macaroni. So let's get this going and then see how it turns out, and we'll enjoy it. Okay, here we go guys. Okay guys, first thing you want to do excuse me, is get the your water boiling, put in your elbow macaroni, and just get that back up to a boil. A little bit too much water in here. Ahead and see if I can get that, some of that taken out. Yeah. Alright, well, we'll just... Alright, so there we go. Got a little bit of rambunctious with the water. Alright, so we'll just get this stirred. And you want to heat this to al dente, which means that it's not crunchy, it is not too soft either. It's just enough for you to bite into it with your teeth, and it'd be just that perfect texture to what you like. So, right, that should take roughly about 10 minutes. So we're gonna let this boil, and then we'll drain this. So we'll be back here in about 10 minutes. Okay, guys. So it's not too bad of steaming it up. So this looks like we're ready. So what you want is a spoon that has little holes in it. The water will drain through here. As you're boiling your noodles, you want to just lightly, carefully take it and test it out. Soft, just perfect right there. So, alright, so we're going to take this and get it drained. Alright, so now while that's draining, open this up, put in our cream of mushroom, and then we'll, to get the cup and a quarter of milk, we just use the can, because that's exactly what we need. So you don't need a measuring cup there. Alright, and then we put in our cheese. Alright, we'll just give this a stir. Get it all mixed in there. Okay. And then mixed in, and yep. Okay. And we put the macaroni back in. Okay. Alright. get it all mixed in here. Alright, now I've had the oven preheating, so the next thing we're going to do to 325, the next thing we're going to do is spray our pan here, and then we're going to dump it in here in our casserole dish. Oh, I just missed it. So, okay. So we're gonna make sure that's all layered in here. So, there we go. And it's still hot, so. Alright, so here we go. Now we're gonna put it in the oven for 325. I got it preheated, so you wanna make sure you have that preheated. So it'll be about 40-45 minutes in the oven for here. So I'm going to put this in the oven and I'll see you in 45 minutes. Okay guys, what I've done here is I pulled it out after 45 minutes at 325 in the oven, and I've let it cool for a minute. So, and this looks so good. Look, just look at that. It's still kind of hot, so there we go. Now, I'm gonna reach in here and fix this up. Okay, here we go. And this looks so good. Just look at that. Alright, let's give it a try here. So here we go. This is good. Nice, creamy. Still a little hot. So let it cool for a little bit longer, but that is good. Real nice and creamy. Got a good flavor too. So this is simple creamy macaroni and mac and cheese. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Well guys, I'm gonna go do some other stuff here, and well, want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord has given you. And well, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Take time to comment below, and also if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I try to do a cooking video. I try to get it out on Saturday morning, and I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos. So alright guys, well, I'll see you on the next video. I'm gonna enjoy this and head out and do some other stuff here. Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are doing simple